Tell me something about the NG networks. How was it? How was your experience? Everything. How did you come to know about us?
No one reached out to me. Like I did a search in internet, so like I got that network bulls and NG networks. So the reason why I chose NG is network bulls was like asking me to do CCIE. So I was looking for job immediately. So I thought NG would be best option. So in whole Delhi, I think these are the two big institutes. I plan to move to Delhi, but on that time you started in institute in Hyderabad. So I immediately reached out to you and joined in the NG.
Acha,
Yeah.
you're already in touch with us. Before we reach out to the Hyderabad, you're already in touch with us.
Yes, no one reached out to me. It was my completely my interest.
Ah, that's great. That's great.
Yeah.
So you already find yourself comfortable with our process and everything.
Yes. And also I
That's.
referred Praveen. We both joined at
Acha,
same time.
Acha,
Yeah.
Praveen is also referred by you. He was placed in SCS.
Yes.
Great. So that was really. So how was your training experience with NG networks?
Yeah, training was very good because before joining NG, I did CCNA, MCSC, and the Linux course from other institute, and also CCNA security from different institute. But the technical knowledge they teach is completely different from NG.
Okay.
Yeah, so I felt very good. Vikas sir was very helpful,
Acha, you
and
okay?
yeah, and I still remember him. And after that, Arvind, I think
Arvind
CCNP
Vishwakarma.
was taught by Arvind. Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
So that was
Overall,
amazing.
yeah, that was amazing. And staff is also very good, very friendly, and you always, guide us. That's great from you.
Thank you very much. If you like it, if you have given this much importance to it, that was really valuable for us. So how was the placement part? How's the team?
Placement team regarding the placement team.
Placement in the team, like the team, are they supported? Except the trainer, there are ample of people working there with you.
Yeah, I think at that time in Hyderabad, you and Namita ma'am were taking care of the placements, I think. So I was in contact with you and
Acha,
Namita, and
okay, directly
you
with
were
you.
able to help. Yeah, you and Namita ma'am able to help me. And regarding the resume preparation, I think I forgot her name. Sonam, some.
Sonia.
Yeah, sorry. She was also helpful. So everyone was helpful.
That's great. That's
And
great.
also the great part is I came to NG from Hyderabad and I don't know anything in Delhi. So one guy, that short guy, came with me to the Gurgaon location, I think, to drop me there. Yeah,
Acha.
I
What
don't
was
know
the name?
anything. He came with me to metro station, and he dropped me there and came back to NG Networks. So they were very
That's
helpful on that day.
we. Oh, that's great. That's great. Thank you very much. You shared this thing with me. We are trying our level best to make you feel comfortable, homely. Like if you have taken the decision, if you now you're part of the family, so we are trying our level best. So what exactly is the message you want to deliver to your juniors who are taking the sessions right now?
To my juniors or the juniors who are joining to the NG?
Joining to the NG.
Okay. So it's a great place to learn if you are enthusiastic to learn the technical knowledge. It's good to join NG because they also provide NG real-time training, and the atmosphere is very friendly. In whole Hyderabad, if you go to any other institute, you won't get details about how packets move from different device to different device. So these things can be learned from NG networks. The faculty is having that much knowledge. So in real time, you only have to work on that part, what exactly moving from one device to other device via.
Thank you very much for your words, Madhusudhan. Thank you very much. Wishing
No
you all the
problem,
very
sir.
best for your future, and please keep in touch
Definitely.
and do share your resume so we can work out on it. Yeah.
Yeah.